Ahoy pirates! Welcome to another episode of Laughtail Theories. Here we discuss One Piece manga and anime, and we try to predict what is going to happen and what, if happened, would make sense in the world of One Piece. During recent arcs, both in anime and manga, we see Carrot traveling with Straw Hat Pirates. She's a fun character, and in this episode, we try to answer this basic question whether she will be joining Straw Hat Pirates. We first met Carrot during the Yonko saga in the Wano arc. She's a mink and is part of the Inuashi Musketeer Squad. She had always wanted to see the outside world and go on an adventure. Her Sulong form in full moon is quite a wonder to watch and is quite powerful for Straw Hat Pirates. If she becomes a part of Straw Hat Pirates, it would be a great addition. But does she have all that it takes to be a Straw Hat Pirate? Let's see. Now, let's look at the other members of Straw Hat Pirates and how they joined, and maybe that will give us insight into how and what it takes to be a Straw Hat Pirate. Zoro. In chapter 2, even before Zoro was shown, Luffy had intentions of making him join. In chapter 3, Zoro declined, but after fighting alongside Luffy, he agreed to join Straw Hat Pirates. Nami. In chapter 8, Nami proposes to team up with Luffy, but later declines in chapter 9. Then she tricks Luffy into a promise to join if he helps him steal from Buggy. She then travels alongside Luffy in various arcs, but at the conclusion of Arlong Park, she joins. Usopp. In chapter 23, we are introduced to Usopp. Usopp wants to join as a captain, but then Luffy declines. After fighting alongside Luffy, he decides to join, but Luffy is confused because he had thought that he had already joined. Sanji. In chapter 44, we meet Sanji the cook. In chapter 45, Luffy asks him to join the crew. Sanji then declines, but after fighting through the arc, he decides to join and travel in search of All Blue. Chopper. Luffy meets Chopper in chapter 139 and tries to eat him. In chapter 140, Nami asks Chopper to join, but he declines. Formally, he is asked in the same chapter by Luffy to join, but he declines again. But after fighting through the arc, he decides to join. Robin. We are introduced to Robin in chapter 114, but at this point, we are not sure whether she is good or bad. Robin saves Luffy's life in chapter 180, and later on, she turns on Crocodile in chapter 203. After the events of Arabasta, Robin sneaks on the ship and asks Luffy to join, and becomes a Straw Hat Pirate. Frankie. Luffy meets Frankie in chapter 335. They hate each other and immediately start to fight. But after the Enies Lobby arc, when Frankie has fought alongside Luffy, Luffy invites Frankie to join his crew as a shipwright. Frankie declines, but after his friends convincing him, he decides to join. Brook. We are introduced to Brook in chapter 442. Luffy almost immediately asks him to join. Brook accepts but later declines. But after fighting alongside Luffy, he decides to join. I thought after Brook, all the positions were filled, and we will not be seeing anyone join the Straw Hat Pirates. It was a great surprise for me to see Jinbei join the team. We first met Jinbei in chapter 540. Ace asked him to protect Luffy after he was gone. Jinbei declined, saying that he only followed the strong. But during Marineford, he judged Luffy to be a very strong character and decided to save him. After the Fishman Island arc, Luffy asked Jinbei to join the crew. Jinbei reluctantly declined. But in chapter 863, Jimwe officially declared his intention of joining the Straw Hat Pirates. Now, we get back to our question. Will Carrot join the Straw Hat crew? Carrot has sailed for multiple arcs now. She was given character focus and a powerful form that makes her look appealing. As a mentor, helped her and motivated her to achieve her best. He also helped her to achieve and keep a Sulong form. But I don't see her joining the Straw Hat Pirates. All the members were given an official title on the ship. All of them have some motivation towards Luffy being the Pirate King. Carrot has received mentorship from Pedro and has gratitude towards him. That is the reason she may one day give her life for Luffy. But that is just because Pedro believes in him. Her character is not independent. She needs a strong motivation to carry on, and her own dreams, for which she needs a solid backstory. We have not been shown that till now. It seems unlikely that Carrot will be given such a limelight now, but I like her sail with the crew, and she's a fun side character alongside Chopper. She has given us moments that we can remember her as a sweet and lively rabbit warrior of the Mink tribe. If you like the theory, give us a great thumbs up and share this video with your fellow pirates, and subscribe to get more such videos.